Does being out in the sun make your skin turn a lobster red, or maybe even just a slightly darker pink than you normally are? Today we're going to be making an after sun spray that will soothe and calm that irritated, angry skin. Hello, my name is Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. So to get started, the first thing I would recommend is using a sunscreen to help protect your skin. I'm going to put a link to the video on how to make this in the description below. You're going to need a spray bottle. This is, I believe, a 2-ounce spray bottle, but you can use any size and just change the proportions. And we're going to need some oils. We're going to start with lavender essential oil. This is extremely calming and soothing to the skin after it's been exposed to heat, be it the sun and the stove, the curling iron. We're going to add 8 to 10 drops of this. Then we're going to add some peppermint. Peppermint is very cool and soothing. It also helps, acts as a driver to drive the other oils into the skin. So we're going to add 8 to 10 drops of that. Melaleuca, or tea tree as it's more commonly known, is great for everything skin. It is antibacterial, antifungal, and just calming and soothing to the skin. So we will add 8 to 10 drops of that. And you can stop right there if you like. Use what you have. You could do just peppermint and lavender too, but I like to add the tea tree. I also like to add some frankincense, because frankincense is also soothing to the skin. It's great to use on with your facial care system. So 8 to 10 drops of that. Now you can go as simple as just adding some water to top it off, then shake it and spritz it on the area of redness. You have to remember to shake it if you just do water. So that works fine. I recommend adding some fractionated coconut oil or another carrier oil. The oils will disperse in there better, and it's also going to help it stay on the skin a little bit longer, so you can soothe. It will absorb more as it's sitting on your skin. Diluting never takes away the effect of the oils. It actually helps to improve the effect because it stays on your skin longer. If you want to do the deluxe way, we can add some vitamin E. So I'm just going to take a couple vitamin E capsules and poke a hole in them and squirt the vitamin E in here. Where'd the other one go? You can buy vitamin E in a liquid too, and with a dropper, and just add a dropper full of that. Vitamin E helps it to last a little longer, and it's also very nourishing to the skin. And then you can also add some aloe vera juice. So I'm going to add about a quarter of the aloe vera juice, a little bit more. Aloe vera is well known as a natural way to treat skin wounds and irritations and help with the redness from heat. heat damage. So it supports the skin in a wonderful way that way. And then we're going to top it off with the carrier oil. Make sure you add a label so you know what's in your spray bottle, and then you can spritz it directly on your skin, and you will have a very soothing, comforting after sun spray. I used this. In fact, I used just the simple recipe with the water when I went to Hawaii and after being in Montana all winter, and did some snorkeling, floating on the water, watching the fish for an hour, and fried. So both my husband and I were pretty much lobsters and very uncomfortable, and this spray spritzed on soothed the discomfort instantly. You can apply it frequently to keep it away. It's also soothing for the nourishing for the skin. So we did peel, but not near as bad as we would have otherwise. Comment below which version of this after sun spray you would like to make. The one with the water, the one with just a carrier oil, or the deluxe with the vitamin E, aloe vera, and a carrier oil. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.